Hello everyone, I'm cc, a rocking painter. I love water book. Now, for me, let's do it! To use water paint. First, unscrew the bottle and fill with water. What do you see in the picture? Let's find! Now start coloring!
The dog takes the cat. Hi ho the dairy-o. The dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse. The cat takes the mouse. Hi ho the dairy-o. The cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese. The mouse takes the cheese. Hi ho the dairy-o. The mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands.
Wow, it's so beautiful! Finally, blow dry picture book. Oh, the color magically disappear in the picture. Please let me know below the video.